Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to face swap in Capcut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application and I'm going to create a new project on Capcut. So I'm going to click on new project. Okay, and then I'm going to upload photo from my gallery. For example, I'm going to use let me use this photo. Okay, and I'm going to click on add to add this photo to my project. Okay, and then if you want to face swap in CapCut, we need to click on our photo, and then we're going to go to the effect. Oops, sorry. We can go to effect and then select style. Okay, and here we'll be able to apply a lot of effects to our photo. For example, I'm going to turn the gender. I'm going to select AI painting or AI photo. So I'm going to go to the face swap and I'm going to change the gender. I'm going to choose this one, from a woman to a man. And wait, now the effect is being applied to my photo. Okay, oops, the gender is not changed. So I'm going to choose this one because sorry, it's for man to women. Okay, and as you can see guys that the gender has been changed. And wait, I'm going to select another effect as well. I'm going to choose, let's try the, wait, I'm going to try AI photo and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, you just need to select the effect that you like and you can apply to your photo. Okay, and this is the result. That's so fun, right? You can try a lot of effects here and you can see yourself in another gender, or you can see yourself in anime version, or this version, baseball version. It's up to you. You can choose the effect that you like. Okay guys, and that's all the way to face swap in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.